Hello, welcome. In this short video, let us derive the probability mass function of a binomial random variable from its moment generating function. That is, given the information that the MGF phi k of s is equal to 1 minus p plus p into e power s whole power n, where k is a binomial random variable and n and p are the parameters of this binomial random variable. That is, we want to prove that the PMF, that is probability mass function of this binomial random variable k, is equal to n choose k p power k into 1 minus p power n minus k. That is, we basically want to derive this probability mass function from the moment generating function. So given the definition, phi k of s is equal to expectation of e power s k, which is equal to summation k equal to 0 to n e power s k into pk of k. So this is equation 1. Now we want to use the Laplace transform pair relation between the PMF and the moment generating function. That is, pk of k should be equal to integral phi k of s e power minus sk ds, ignoring any normalizing constant. So this is just like inverse Laplace transform of the moment generating function. Now by using this relation, we want to derive the PMF of a binomial random variable. Of course, the k values are from 0 to n, and of course this value, the PMF is 0 for all the other values of k. So now we know that phi k of s is given by 1 minus p plus p into e power s whole power n. So by using that definition, we have integral 1 minus p plus p into e power s whole power n into e power minus s k ds. But using the binomial theorem, that is x plus y power n is equal to summation m equal to 0 to n choose m x power m y power n minus m. That is, by using this binomial theorem, we can rewrite this integral as integral by using x equal to p into e power s and y equal to 1 minus p. That is, x equal to p into e power s and y equal to 1 minus p. We have basically we apply the binomial theorem to this power, this value, that is 1 minus p plus p into e power s power n. That is, we have summation m equal to 0 to n choose m, and x is p into e power s, so we have p power m into e power m s, and then we have y power n minus m, that is 1 minus p power n minus m, and we also have e power minus sk and ds. So by rearranging the integration and summation, we have summation m equal to 0 to n choose m p power m 1 minus p power n minus 1, and also we have integral e power ms into e power minus sk ds. But we also know that the Laplace transform of a delta function, that is delta of k minus p e power ps ds, is equal to e power ks. That is, basically just using the integration formula, that is delta of k minus p e power ps is basically equal to e power ks, and then the inverse Laplace transform, that is L inverse of e power ks, should be equal to delta of k minus p. So by using this formula, that is, this integration becomes delta of m minus k. Therefore we have summation m equal to 0 to n choose m p power m 1 minus p power n minus m, and by this integration basically becomes delta function, that is delta of m minus k. Summation only exists at values of m equal to k, and the rest of the values in summation are basically zeros. So this should be equal to n choose k p power k 1 minus p power n minus k. That is, n plus 1 values in the series of the summation, only the value at m equal to k exists, and everything else basically becomes 0. So we have the probability mass function of a binomial random variable is equal to this value, n choose k into p power k into 1 minus p power n minus k, for values of k equal to 0 to n. Thanks for watching.